Today, we are going to build an automated financial system designed to hit a $10,000 savings goal. This strategy skips the traditional advice of cutting out small daily luxuries. Instead of relying on willpower, we are going to build a mechanical system that operates in the background of your life. The framework has 3 parts. We will unlock cash flow from your existing bills, map that money to a strict mathematical timeline, and then automate those funds into the market using the Stash app. Replacing manual, occasional saving with an active, rule-based system changes how your capital moves through your accounts. To find the seed money for this goal, we look at the cash trapped in your recurring monthly bills, specifically your internet, cable, and insurance. You start by calling these providers directly. Do not spend time with the first tier of customer support. Ask to be transferred immediately to the retention department. Tell the representative you are considering a switch. Mention a specific lower price from a local competitor, and bring up the number of years you have been a customer. If they say no initially, you must be prepared to follow through. The primary leverage in any bill negotiation is the clear willingness to cancel the service entirely. You can compound these discounts by asking about bundling. Most companies will lower individual service costs if you consolidate internet and mobile or cable plans. This comparison shows the math. Paying $80 for internet and $100 for cable, merging them creates a new baseline. The provider drops the total to $135, creating a 25% savings on the exact same services. By identifying these overpayments and reclaiming them, you generate the capital needed to fund a $10,000 goal without changing your daily habits. Once that cash is freed up, you need to direct it into a specific, time-bound saving structure. For a 100-day timeline, set aside $100 every day. For a 6-month timeline, the requirement becomes $385 per week. And to reach the goal in 1 full year, set aside $192 a week. To make this work, you have to automate the transfers from your checking account. Moving the money on the day you are paid removes the opportunity to spend it. If you prefer a tactile approach, you can use the envelope method. Manually stuffing a physical envelope with cash every week provides a visual way to track the progress of your budget. The most common point of failure is leaving these funds in your primary checking account. If the money stays where you pay your daily expenses, you will eventually spend it by mistake. Following a strict mathematical timeline removes the need for constant decision-making, making your progress a result of daily repetition. The final step is moving that capital into the market to generate yield through the Stash app. Inside the app, navigate to the Invest tab and turn on the Automated Investing toggle. This feature takes your incoming transfers and automatically sorts them into a diversified portfolio based on your risk profile, which removes the need to select individual stocks yourself. You do not need to wait until you have a large amount of cash. Fractional shares allow you to put even small amounts to work immediately. Use the Stash Stockback Debit MasterCard to earn assets while you spend. This flowchart shows the loop. A routine purchase triggers a stock deposit into your account. Qualified purchases return up to 3% in rewards, deposited directly into your Stash Invest account. Combining a rigid savings timeline with an automated reward loop ensures your daily spending begins contributing to your total portfolio. This is the full system: lower fixed overhead, a strict mathematical savings timeline, and an automated investment engine. By restructuring your monthly bills and automating your transfers, you have established a repeatable structure for your capital. To map your own progress, you can download the Principal $10,000 Savings Tracker through the link in the description. Pick up the phone today and make that first negotiation call to your internet provider. Taking that initial step is the difference between reading about these systems and actually owning one.